Welcome students. Today I am Mr. Anthony. I am taking question forms. So yesterday we did about the question tags, and today I'll do about WH questions. See page number 25 in your workbook. So there are three types of questions. One is question tags, WH questions, and yes or no questions. So today I am doing WH questions. That means the questions start with WH word like who, what, when, where, how, and all these are called WH questions. Okay. I'll give a few rules before starting the text. The question framing words, WH framing words are, first one is who. Who is used for a person and when the person is the subject. I told you, please take down the notes. Grammar, there may not be much in your book. Whatever I am giving notes, that will be extra. See, please take down, and when you come to the college, I'll check it up. Please take down. So today's chapter is WH questions. So WH question means the questions begins with WH word like who, what, when, where, and all that. Okay. And who is used for persons and when the person is the subject. Example, Ravi is the captain. So Ravi is underlined. Okay. So then we say who is the captain. In your textbook, please see, Shashi Rekha spends the weekends with her family. Here, Shashi Rekha is underlined. You have to frame a question to get the underlined word as answer. That means Shashi Rekha should be the answer. Okay. So question is, who spends the weekends with their family? Okay. So Shashi Rekha is a person and it is the subject. That is why they have used who. Second one is whom. This is also used for a person and when the person is the object. Okay. When the person is the object. For example, I met Ramesh. Underline Ramesh. So Ramesh is the object here and it is a person. So question will be, whom did you meet? Whom did you meet? Of course in modern English we say who did you meet? Okay, both are correct. Third one is whose. It is also used for a person when it shows possession. When it shows possession. For example, this is Suma's bag. Suma's, underline that. So this shows possession. Possession andre nandu, nindu, aurdu, atara. Here, Suma's, it is underlined. It is a person, shows possession. So we use whose. So the question will be, whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Okay. So this is the first rule, who, whom, and whose. All the three are used for persons only. Who is used when the person is the subject, whom is used when the person is the object, and whose is used when the person shows possession. Okay. Second one is what. What is used for things. What is used for things only. For example, I like oranges. Underline oranges. So the question will be, what do you like? What do you like? Okay. Third one is which. Which can be used for persons and things. Which is used for persons and things. Example, Ravi is the best student. Ravi is the best student. Underline Ravi. The question can be, which student is the best? Which student is the best? Or one more example, mango is a tasty fruit. Okay. So underline mango. So here we can ask a question, which fruit is tasty? Which fruit is tasty? That means which can be used both for persons and things. Next is when. When is used for date and time. When is used for date and time. Please take down the notes. Okay. Example. Gandhi was born on 2nd October. Gandhi was born on 2nd October. Underline 2nd October. The question will be, when was Gandhi born? When was Gandhi born? Okay. Then time. Our college starts at 9 a.m. Our college starts at 9 a.m. Underline 9 a.m. The question will be, when does our college start? When does our college start? Next is where. Where is used for place and direction. Place and direction. Example, my uncle lives in Mumbai. My uncle lives in Mumbai. Underline in Mumbai. So the question will be, where does your uncle live? Where does your uncle live? One more example. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Underline in the east. So this is a direction. So again we use where does the sun rise. Where does the sun rise? Next is why. Why is used for reason. Why is used for reason. Example, I am late because of traffic jam. I am late because of traffic jam. So underline because of traffic jam. The question will be, why are you late? Why are you late? See, when you frame a question, you must again check up. If you are getting the answer, that is what is underlined should be the answer. Suppose the question is, why are you late? Answer will be, because of traffic jam. Then only the question is correct. And when you frame a question, should not change the tense. See, I am late, present tense. Why are you late? Present tense. Tense must be same. Okay. Next is how. How is used for manner. Manner means yav tara, yav riti. Okay. Example, the soldiers fought bravely. The soldiers fought bravely. Underline bravely. Question, how did the soldiers fight? How did the soldiers fight? Okay. Next one is how many. How many means number. It shows how many. Okay. Example, he scored 80 runs. He scored 80 runs. So underline 80. Okay. Now question will be, how many runs did he score? How many runs did he score? Next is how much. How much shows quantity. How much means quantity. Example, he has got lot of money. He has got lot of money. Underline lot. So a lot means quantity. So the question will be, how much money has he got? How much money has he got? Next is how often. How often. O-F-T-E-N. Often. This shows frequency. You know what is frequency? A number of times, repeating a number of times. See, for example, 3 times we eat. That is frequency. Okay. So frequency means repeating regularly. So here, we eat thrice daily. We eat thrice daily. Underline thrice. The question will be, how often do we eat? How often do we eat? Next is how far. How far shows distance. How far shows distance. Example, Bengaluru is 200 kilometers from here. Bengaluru is 200 kilometers from here. Underline 200 kilometers. Question will be, how far is Bangalore from here? How far is Bangalore from here? Last is how long. How long means duration. Duration of time. Okay. Example, our class is for 1 hour. Our class is for 1 hour. Underline 1 hour. So the question will be, how long is our class? How long is our class? Now, please see the textbook. If you have got a workbook, please see the workbook. Otherwise, you see the screen. It is displays on the screen. That is question number main 3. Frame WH questions so as to get the underlined words as answer. So one has been done for you. Example is, Sashi Rekha spends the weekends with her family. So what is the question here? Who spends the weekends with their family? Tense will be the same. Should not change anything. Who spends the weekends with their family? First one. Man has failed to understand the nature and her ways. So what is underlined here? The nature and her ways. That means question will be, what has man failed to understand? Please write down in the space given, what has man failed to understand. See, in a statement, the sequence is like this. Man has failed. That means subject, auxiliary verb, main verb. But when you frame a question, subject goes in between. Has man failed? Okay. So, that you must know. So, question will be, what has man failed to understand? I hope you have written. Those who don't have the workbook, see the screen and write the answer in your notebook. Second one. Nicola and Jacopo sold white strawberries on the outskirts of Verona. Nicola and Jacopo sold wild strawberries on the outskirts of Verona. So what is underlined? On the outskirts of Verona. So question will be starting with where. Okay. So what we have to give? And tense is sold, past tense. So where did Nicola and Jacopo sell wild strawberries? Write down. Where did Nicola and Jacopo sell wild strawberries? See, when you use did, should not put sold again. Should put present tense only. But both together, they become past tense only. Okay. Where did Nicola and Jacopo sell wild strawberries? Third one is, the commission was appointed to look into the matter. To look into the matter. Here, it is a reason. To look into the matter means reason, karana. So, why has to be used? So, what will be the question? Why was the commission appointed? Why was the commission appointed? See, statementally, the commission was appointed. In question, was the commission appointed? Changes, Why was the commission appointed? Question mark. Fourth one, there were 5 members in the commission. There were 5 members in the commission. So what is underlined? 5. So 5 means number. So what we have to put? How many? Okay. How many members were there in the commission? There were a lot. How many members were there in the commission? I hope you are writing, Next one. The elephant put his trunk inside the hut slowly. The elephant put his trunk inside the hut slowly. What is underlined? Slowly. That means, yav tara, yav riti, manner adu. So what we have to put? how, and the verb is past tense. So okay, how did the elephant put his trunk inside the hut? How did the elephant put his trunk inside the hut? Next is sixth one. The lion wanted to have peace and tranquility in his kingdom. The lion wanted to have peace and tranquility in his kingdom. So, what is underlined? Peace and tranquility. Peace and tranquility. So, what will be the question? Sixth one. What did ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, wanted. What did the lion want to have in his kingdom? What did the lion want to have in his kingdom? Seventh one. The people around him look like hungry wolves. The people around him look like hungry wolves. Like hungry wolves. So this shows the manner. Yav riti. So question will be, how did the people around him look? How did the people around him look? Eighth one. The big city was situated in the valley of a mountain. The big city was situated in the valley of a mountain. So here it shows the place in the valley. Place. So question will be, where was the big city situated? Where was the big city situated? Ninth one. Mara met the king at his place at midnight. Mara met the king at his place. So at his place means jaga, where. So question will be, where did Mara meet the king at midnight? Where did Mara meet the king at midnight? Next one, last one is, Udyan Express leaves Bangalore at 8 p.m. for Mumbai. Udyan Express leaves Bangalore at 8 p.m. So this is time. At 8 p.m. is underlined. So time baruvaga when. Okay. First what you must do, what is the word you have to start? Who, what, when, where. Then see the tense of the verb. Accordingly frame the verb and frame the sentence. Okay. So here, when, verb yavadu? Leaves. Yen tense adu? Present tense. Yes bandra present tense adu. So you have to go for does. When does Udyan Express leave Bangalore for Mumbai? When does Udyan Express leave Bangalore for Mumbai? I hope you have taken down all these answers. So go to page number 20, next page. That is exercise 4. Complete the WH questions with the help of the statements given below. There are some statements given, so you have to complete the WH questions. For example, what is the statement given? I want to learn English to go abroad. So this is the statement. So what is the question framed? Why do you want to learn English? Why do you want? Do you want is the answer actually. Adan kottidare. So I want to learn English to go abroad. Why do you want to learn English? Okay. Let us see the next one. When dash Vidya complete her homework. Statement given is, Vidya completed her homework yesterday. Vidya completed her homework yesterday. So completed past tense, and so we have to use did. So what is the question? When did Vidya complete her homework? Please fill up did. Second one, dash do the birds live. statement is the birds live in the nest. The birds live in the nest. So what will be the question framing word? Where do the birds live? Where do the birds live? Third one, where dash Harish worked with his father. The statement is Harish has worked with his father in the field. Harish has worked with his father in the field. So verb has worked. So we use the same verb. Where has Harish worked? Where has Harish worked with his father? So fill in the blanks with has. Fourth one, why dash they come to school together. The statement is they will come to school together to attend the annual day function. Okay, this is statement. Question is why dash. So why will they come to the school together? Why will they come to the school together? Next, fifth one, dash were honored by the Teachers Association. So statement is 5 top scorers were honored by the Teachers Association. So what will be the framing word? Who were honored by the Teachers Association? Who were honored by the Teachers Association? Next, sixth one, who dash 2 farms and 30 slaves? Who dash 2 farms and 30 slaves? Okay, the statement is Anthony owned 2 farms and 30 slaves. My name is Anthony. Don't think that I am having. This is taken from the lesson in your textbook. Okay, Anthony owned 2 farms and 30 slaves. Frederick Douglass. I will be taking it after this. So the question framing will be who owned 2 farms and 30 slaves? Who owned 2 farms and 30 slaves? Seventh one, dash did the wind rock Mara's hut? Did the wind rock Mara's hut? See the statement. At midnight, the wind rocked Mara's hut. So, question will be, when did the wind rock Mara's hut? When did the wind rock Mara's hut? Eighth one is, dash was the restaurant keeper asking him? The statement is, the restaurant keeper was asking him to take off his shirt. To take off his shirt. The question will be, what was the restaurant keeper asking him to take off? What was the restaurant keeper asking him? Okay, so this is how you have to fill up. But in exams only, questions will not be like this. Questions will be, statement will be given and something will be underlined. You have to frame a question. Here, they are giving the full statement and you are giving the question also, only one word you are filling up. This is to make you understand which word you have to fill up. Okay. So with this, yesterday, next is on question tags. It's already done for you. And today we have done this WH questions. And tomorrow I'll be doing yes or no questions. So 3 videos will be there. 3 videos for question forms. Question tags, WH questions and yes or no questions. And each video will have a Google form questionnaire. 10 questions are there. I hope you are doing that. So you must answer them and answers will be recorded here. So don't neglect. If you don't do anything, you will be caught. Everything is recorded here. Okay. So with these WH questions I am completing. I'll just revise the rules what I have told you in the beginning. Okay. So WH questions. start with a WH word. That is why they are called WH questions. Okay, WH questions always start with a WH word. I'll come to the beginning of your WH question. Here it starts. Okay. Words like who, what, when, where, how, why, all these are WH question words, framing words. Okay. The first one is who. I'll just repeat you. Already I have given you. If you have not completed, please fill up again. Who is used for a person, and one person is the subject. Who is used as a for a person, and when the person is the subject. Example given in the textbook is the same. Sashi Rekha spends the weekends with her family. So Sashi Rekha is underlined. It is a person. It is a subject. So ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು? Who. Okay. Remaining the same. First word ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಜನರಲಿ. Who spends the weekends with their family. Okay. Next, whom. It is used for a person when the person is the object. Okay. For example, I met Ramesh. I met Ramesh. So Ramesh is the subject. Object. And it is the person. So what you have to use? Whom did you meet? Whom did you meet? Third one is whose. Whose is also used for a person when it shows possession. When it shows possession. This is Raju's bike. Raju's. Apostrophe. This shows possession. So a question will be, whose bike is this? Whose bike is this? Next, what. What is used for things. It's not used for persons, only things only. For example, I like mangoes. Underline mangoes. Question will be, what do you like? What do you like? Next is which. Which can be used for persons as well as things. Okay. Ravi is the best student. So underline Ravi. So you can frame question like this. Which student is the best? Which student is the best? Or you can also say, who is the best student? Both are correct only. But which also can be used. Second example, mango is a tasty fruit. Underline mango. So mango. So which fruit is tasty? Which fruit is tasty? Next is when. When is used for date and time. Date. Gandhi was born on 2nd October. So 2nd October is the underlined. When was Gandhi born? When was Gandhi born? Our college starts at 9 a.m. At 9 a.m. Underlined. So when does our college start? When does our college start? Where? This is a place and direction. Place and direction. For example, my uncle lives in Mumbai. In Mumbai. Underlined. So where does your uncle live? Suppose I say, we live in Chitradurga. Underline in Chitradurga. Question will be, where do we live? Where do we live? Then the sun rises in the east. In the east is underlined. Direction adu. Okay. So where does the sun rise? Himalayas lies in the north of India. In the north of India. Underline. So question will be, where does the Himalayas lie? Okay. Then why? Why it is used for reason. Okay. I am late because of traffic jam. Underline because of traffic jam. So why are you late? One more example. I was absent because I was sick. So because I was sick. Adike question will be, why were you absent? So next is how. How is used for manner. So she studies hard. Hard underline. So it will be, how does she study? How does she study? I gave you example, the soldiers fought bravely. So bravely. So how did the soldiers fight? Next is how many. How many is used for number. He scored 80 runs. Okay, 80 underline. How many runs did he score? Then how much? It is quantity. He has got lot of money. Lot. So question will be, how much money has he got? How much money has he got? How far? How often? Frequency. How often? Frequency. For example, we eat thrice daily. Okay. So how often do we eat? Exams are conducted twice in a year. Twice. How often are the exams conducted? Okay. Then how far? Distance. Bangalore is 200 kilometers from here. 200 kilometers underline. How far is Bangalore from here? Davangere is 60 kilometers from here. 60 kilometers underline. How far is Davangere from here? Okay. Then how long? Duration. Duration of time. Our class is for 1 hour. How long is our class? One more example. My video is for half an hour. Half an hour underline. So how long is my video? Okay. So this is how we frame WH questions. See what you must see. What is the word underlined? Which is the framing word? Which is the question framing word you have to use? For example, person means who, whom or whose. Things means what, like that. Time means when. Place means where. Reason means why. First you select that word. Then see the tense of the verb there. If it is past tense, if there is no auxiliary, go for did. If there is present tense, no auxiliary, use do. If there is present tense with S form, go for does. If there is an auxiliary, use the same. Auxiliary, of course, I hope you know. Auxiliary verbs, main verbs, auxiliary verbs, helping verbs. 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಓದಿರಬೇಕು. First PU also I think sister might have taken these kinds of verbs. So when there is an auxiliary verb, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I will go means will is an auxiliary. Will you go? I go. Then we don't go for auxiliaries. Go for do forms. Okay. All these rules you must know, and it is an easy chapter. In exam, there will be 3 questions on question forms. One is add a question tag. I am a student. Question tag will be aren't I. One more question will be like this. Something will be underlined. You have to frame a question. Okay. Today what I have done. Then third will be, that is tomorrow I will be taking that class, do forms. You have to frame a question with do, does or did. It is almost like yes or no questions. Okay. That we'll do tomorrow. Okay. I hope you have understood. I want you to make notes. Grammar means you must make extra notes. And textbook means you must understand the text. And when you come to the college, we'll supply you know, I have got some guides. You can take them. And whatever materials you have, you can read them. Okay. Okay then. Bye. Thank you.